Hi, happy Vlogmas day number 5. Today I am going to be repotting my lemon tree. And you know what? It's crazy. I just was like, there's no way I can come up with something to do every day for this Vlogmas, but here we are, day number 5. So day number 5 is good. Now when we get to day number 15, day number 20, I got to know if I'm gonna have anything for you. But on day number 5, we're gonna repot this lemon tree. So I bought it and it was in this container and it was on sale, which is why I bought it. And it's grown some, but I think that these things on here are little lemons. I don't know if you could see that, but those are lemons. See little green things? Very exciting. I am not going to be sounding very good this time. I had a microphone. I was charging it. I'm afraid Dante might have eaten it. I'm hoping that is the case and that I will find it, but it is gone. So until I get a new microphone, and now I understand I need backups because I have a dog. So until I get a new microphone, I'm going to try to be as close to the camera as possible so that you can easily hear me. So, what I am using to repot this is a cactus palm citrus mix, as well as some horticultural perlite. Ultimately, you want a good draining mix. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a larger pot, but I was downstairs. I actually have quite a lot of these pots. But yeah, I have quite a lot of these pots, so I needed to get something that was not too much, but just big enough. So hopefully you can see that this is just big enough to go up to the next size. So I'm going to pour a little of this mix here. And then I'm going to follow up with a little of the perlite. My hope is that they won't harm the lemons that are currently growing on there. I want them to be okay. Very good draining mix. Then we're going to put some water on this. I'm a bottom water, but I'm going to water it from the top this time. Don't let this go off your toes. And a little more perlite. I'm going to mix it really well. So I hope you can see I am mixing this really well, and I'm doing this on the countertop near the sink so I can easily clean this off. This is a Meyer Lemon tree, in case anybody wants to know. Ooh, look at the roots. So she wasn't quite root bound. She's getting there. And the soil is nice and moist. Just a little. Just gonna break you up a little bit. You know what? It's not working because I poured this too much in there. Just a little bit on the bottom. She fits. Pour this in. Now I'm trying to keep away from her thorns. And why am I calling this plant a she? I have no answers. She today. Yeah, so when I water, this is not going to be a ton of water because the soil is still moist, because like I explained on Vlogmas day 4 about plants being toast. I'm watering plants every day, so consistently, not the same plants obviously, but I have like a system of, okay, it's going to be U6 today, and so those get watered, and then I just do the same process every single week just to make sure everything has got nice and watered, because that's the easiest way to go. Like, I don't know how many plants I have down here, maybe 4 in the kitchen, 15 in my bathroom, 3 in my bedroom, 10 in the guest bedroom. I'm really not sure how many are down here in this area, but I kind of like break it in like a horizontal, so that half gets watered one day and this half gets watered the next day. And there's 2 humidifiers down here. I'm just trying to make sure there's no air pockets. But we've got the roots nice and covered. And I forgot the little saucer for this downstairs. So, extra is just going right back in here. Clean this up. Oh, see, that looks like a little lemon, excuse me, fell off. So I hope she will survive. And then all I do is just sit this. After this, I'm just gonna sit it in this sink. I'm gonna put water in and let it bottom water. And that's it. This is gonna be my shortest Vlogmas now. Y'all gotta let me know, because we could be in here making nachos. I know this channel is about plants, my indoor and outdoor garden, but like, I don't know what I'm really gonna do. Like, unless y'all wanna come with me as I water plants, like we actually might have a day of that, because I don't know how much Vlogmas material, but I didn't think I would be able to do this. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, look at me chatting with people up there. So yeah, this actually feels pretty good and moist already. So I'm gonna sit it in the sink and let it bottom water. I mean, that's pretty much it, y'all. So that was my repotting of my lemon tree. I think what you have to remember is that you can't use regular potting mix. So this is a fast draining formula, and then I added the perlite for even more draining, because they do not want to sit and have little wet roots. So you want to give it a nice, good draining mix, and I think that I have done that. So that's pretty much it for Vlogmas day number 5, y'all. This is gonna be the shortest video ever. But yeah, if there's something like you want to share, I'll take it. And if you have a better way of these citrus trees, I'll take that too, because I'm still learning. So I've been gardening like 9 years now, but like the fruits and vegetables is still relatively new for me. So I've only been doing fruits and vegetables since the pandemic. Before that, all I did was flowers. But now I'm like, we might need to know how to grow some food after the pandemic. I was like, wait a minute. I might need to learn how to do some stuff here in my little space because we don't know what's coming up. So hopefully that will never be the case, but in the interim, while eggs are $7.99 for 18 brown eggs, I'm going to try to learn as much as I can. So see y'all tomorrow. Bye.